your trusted realtor, and I hope I will be the one will provide comparative analysis to determine if the listing price is reasonable, if the rental income will cover the mortgage payment, and put you in contact with local insurance companies, property managers, etc. And our last tip is, once you have determined the zip codes that are convenient for you according to the location, purchase price, rental income, expenses, projected profit and loss statements, etc., then come to Las Vegas and visit the areas that you selected at random times and days. Talk to the neighbors, feel the ambience of the community to make sure that your new rental home will not bring you stress. Your trusted realtor will hold your hand throughout all the milestones of the purchase of your future rental home in Las Vegas and represent your best interest. For a complimentary appointment, please hit the link noted on the area below of this video. We will see you in Las Vegas.